Welcome to Review Mobile, your go-to source for the latest smartphone reviews and tech insights. Today, we're diving into the Vivo X200 Pro 2025, Vivo's newest flagship that's turning heads with its futuristic features and powerful performance. Let's explore what makes this phone stand out in the crowded 2025 market. Design and display. The Vivo X200 Pro boasts a sleek, ultra-premium design with curved edges and a refined matte glass finish. It features a 6.82-inch AMOLED display with a 2K resolution and a 144 Hz refresh rate, offering vibrant colors, deep contrasts, and buttery-smooth scrolling. The in-display fingerprint sensor is faster and more responsive than ever. Performance and software. Under the hood, the X200 Pro is powered by the latest MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset, paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. It runs on Origino S5 built on Android 15, delivering fluid multitasking, enhanced AI features, and improved battery optimization. Camera system. Vivo continues to lead in mobile photography with its quad-camera ZEISS setup. The main 200-megapixel sensor captures astonishing detail, supported by a 50-megapixels ultra-wide lens, a 50-megapixels telephoto with 5x optical zoom, and a TOF 3D depth sensor. Night mode, cinematic video, and AI enhancements make the X200 Pro a dream for content creators. Battery and charging. The 5200 mAh battery easily powers through a full day of heavy usage. Vivo's 120W fast charging takes the phone from 0 to 100% in under 25 minutes, while 50W wireless charging adds convenience for users on the go. Conclusion. The Vivo X200 Pro 2025 sets a new standard for flagship smartphones. With cutting-edge performance, pro-grade cameras, and premium design, it's a solid contender for the best phone of the year. Stay tuned to Review Mobile for more deep dives and comparisons coming soon. Let me know if you'd like a version tailored for voiceover or one with a call to action at the end.